Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yasha Gaming. Well, if you're in channel, guys, I would like you to kill me and smash that little subscribe button and also to ring that bell notification. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use the harvester. Okay, so basically you're gonna open terminal and just write this: the harvester. This hit enter. Alright, so you'll have to re-enter the harvester and then /help. Yeah, so now you'll be able to see this using the harvester h. That means this -d will be the domain, -l a limit, start screenshot DNS server, and you can see all of that, a lot of stuff. Okay, and for instance, we would like to test something. So -d, okay, and space theguardian.com -b pgb. All right, so if you get invalid source, let's try something else. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not, so you'll have to give it a few more time. Okay, so we're gonna add a limiter using this 500 and then bing.com. okay, just Bing. All right, so now it's going to target this. As you can see, searching Bing, no IP found, no email found. Okay, as you can see, sometimes it does work, sometimes it does not. Sometimes you might need to use API. Just keep trying. So let's do Bing. Alright, as you can see, it found free.mycanal.fr. that's the subdomain. Okay, attackers usually look for this subdomain so that they can tweaks and get access, easy access. So as you can see, it found these are two public subdomains, right? free.mycanal.fr, player.mycanal.fr, and you can tweak around and find API. Microsoft.com limit, let's say 300 -b Bing. Alright, so all of these, as you can see, hosts found, 7 hosts found. All of these are subdomains